The key things for UK businesses today, if they're looking to find access to finance, the key things for me are information, preparedness, and being open to the new innovations that have been accelerated through the ongoing digitisation that we've seen over the last few years. The 2008 recession had an enormous impact on the finance landscape because in one fell swoop, if you like, it took away the entire market for lending. Everybody has been forced to pivot, to innovate, to be as agile as they can be, to continue to drive opportunities for the sector. And so we've seen the rise of a number of new products into the market, so the likes of a merchant cash advance, for example, the e-commerce lenders. And what I would advise business owners to do is that they need to inform themselves. They need to inform themselves on where in the market they can go to access information. So there are platform providers like ourselves at Funding Options where we have a myriad of information that's provided through what we call our knowledge pages. So it's understanding what innovations are available and being prepared and open to discuss them. There are three key things that a lender looks for when it's considering, or underwriting I should say, an application for finance. They need information from the credit bureaus as an indication of whether or not they may or may not consider lending to a business. The second most important thing is providing access to bank transaction information. Open banking is one very innovative means of businesses being able to provide digital access in a very standardised and secure form to lenders. And then thirdly and finally, when a lender is considering an application for finance, if the value is high, and let's say 50k plus, if you're looking for debt finance of more than 50k, it's management accounts. From a product selection perspective, it's understanding and being able to convey to somebody like a Funding Options platform provider like us, being able to convey what your challenges are and why do you need the money. We can then provide options, but really importantly, they can borrow on a flexible basis. So there's no point borrowing 100k and not dipping into it because you're still paying interest. But if you can have a flexible loan facility, when you dip in and dip out, you're only going to be paying interest at the times that you're using it. It's really all about being open and don't be afraid to explore new options. Innovation is not the enemy. Actually, that can really provide opportunities that you may never have thought possible.